What is up, everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to make clear slime. So the first thing that I'm going to say is that you're going to need 1/2, 1/2, I think. I'm not good at measuring. I've never learned measuring. I'm just getting new to it. Of water, and you are going to take whatever your solution is. In my case, it is baking soda and contact solution. So you're gonna add a little bit of your activator in here. This is not gonna be your full-on activator, but you need water with a little bit of your activator in it. Like if it's borax, just put a little of the powder and mix it up so it's actual borax, but make sure it's not like an actual heavy borax. If like you use Tide, just put a little Tide in here, you know what I mean? Of those detergents. And then I'm going to put a little bit of my saline solution. I call it insane solution. You're just going to put it in and mix it up, and you want your baking soda or your solution to dissolve. This is not going to be your full-on activator. You're going to add more of your solution later. Yeah, that's all I have to say. And before we start this video, I want to say how good is Thinking Putty. I recommend it. If any of you like putty, stretchy, like a pasty kind of slime, I can't open it. I should carry on to the tutorial and I'll show you guys that later. You're going to be needing a bowl and a spoon. I forgot my spoon. I'm going to use a fork. And this is going to take a couple days to make. And what I mean by that is you'll see in the tutorial every time if you want to make a clear slime. So the first thing you need is a clear glue. I just recommend using a full bottle of clear glue, just one of these so you know how much glue you're using. So here is my clear glue. You can get this glue at Michael's, Target, Hobby Lobby, I think. You could get it at the Dollar Tree. Oh my god, why can't I open this? And I'm going to just squeeze some in here, I guess. And it is bubbling up with the glue, the clear glue. But it's normal, do not worry. And yeah. So I didn't put in that much clear glue because it's really hard to. And yeah, you can barely see it because of the lighting here. But you can mix it like really slowly and like no bubbles will show up, but that's really hard. I would rather just wait it. You'll see what I mean by that. So when you make the slime, you can wait a couple days for it to get fully clear. Like if you're making a huge slime, like it would take about like almost a week, like 5 days. And you can't touch it, or you can just touch it and you don't even care. So a lot of times I don't even care. And if you want to add color, add it now. Or yeah. And it will not be clear, it'll be all foggy and it'll look like white slime. Well, don't worry, because it's not white slime. You just have to wait a couple days if you want it to be like fully clear. And yeah. And sometimes it actually turns stiff. so you have to leave it out for a couple days in the app. So I'm going to take a little bit of their solution here and pour it in. And this is almost like, it's kind of like the main activator, to be honest. And do not add all of this in. Why I said that measurement is because, because if you use, actually, I don't know why I said it. You could have just used a smaller measurement, but it is fine. It's like if you can't really add too much. If you add a lot, it's going to be way easier to activate, to be honest. But yeah. So it is really watery, but that is fine. Mine. Where is my con? So then you're going to add into some of your solution or whatever you activate with. And look at that, it's already forming. Oh my god. And let me tell you this is a really cool slime. I definitely recommend making this. It is a very fun slime. And as you see, it's getting all bubbly. And it's because I've been playing with it and mixing it up. So it's not going to be clear right away. Oh my god, I almost slipped out of my hair. Ah! And yeah. Ooh, mine is kind of jiggly, to be honest. A little. Look at that. And it's kind of clear, like when you stretch it. Like mine is actually clear. Like it's bubbly, but it's clear. And the more I play with it, the more bubbly it is gonna get. So I'm just going to take this off. Yeah, mine is kind of jiggly. I added a lot of water. And as you saw, I didn't add that much baking soda. I mean, that much of my contact solution or my activator. So here's some of it. This is not all my slime. Most of it, I made a tiny one. So here is my clear slime. As you see, it is bubbly, but it is clear slime. Yeah, it is kind of jiggly, to be honest. Plus, I didn't add that much glue. If you add more than I did, you're probably going to need more of the cup. And this slime is really glossy. Like, if you do it right, if you been making it for a long time, sometimes it gets stiff. Like this slime is actually fine. I think actually the more water you put in, the softer it's gonna be. But yeah. But with this recipe, don't go and put a lot of or your activator right away when you make it, because it could be you could overactivate it because you're gonna have some of your solution in your cup, your water. So yeah, here is how it turned out, and I have to get the camera set up for the ASMR. Why does it kind of look okay? It's fine. But yeah, I might add some color to this slime. And I barely used half my glue. It's crazy. So I can make another one. And you can always still buy the gallon, but I like to use the bottles. I've gotten really good at making these slimes, clear slimes, so that's why I did a tutorial on it. And I actually made a clear slime in my making a jelly cube slime. And then I cut it up the jelly cubes in another video, and I added food coloring, and I just cut it up. And yeah. It's kind of blurry when you look through it. Mine is getting a little more stiff now that I'm playing with it. Yeah, it's a little blurry. But thank you guys for watching my tutorial on how to make clear slime, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely do an ASMR with this as soon as this video uploads. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you probably today again, because I make videos like 5 times a day. I'm not even joking. I make videos all the time. So on my channel, I think I have like 3 videos. Like, I make videos a lot and then I always mess up on them. But yeah, here is my slime, and I hope you guys see me and will stay on this journey with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!